Hello, in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the zoom controller settings. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, let's go to the settings, then let's go to the accessibility, and then let's go to the zoom options. So to manage all of those settings below, actually you don't need to enable the zoom, but if you are managing those settings, I guess you are using the zoom, so make sure that the zoom is on. And how to use zoom, the quick settings, we have another video about the zoom, what you can do with it, how you can adjust it to your needs. So be pleased to go to that video and learn something interesting. So as you can see, here is the option called zoom controller. You can turn this off or on, and now you are going to get the zoom controller all the time on the screen. And now you have these single, double tap and triple tap options. So if you go into with a single tap, this is going to get you the quick controls. If you double tap, you are going to zoom in or zoom out where the controller is, or not. Now you are going to zoom just to the right side of the screen. Okay, so the triple tap, you can put the shortcut to speak on touch to it, but you can get to none. We are not going to use it. Also, double tap and slide the controller to adjust the zoom level, so you can just do whatever you want to do with the zoom controller. Also, if you double tap and just go like that, you can navigate also. So let's go out. Also, you can adjust the zoom control color, so it can be blue, red, green, yellow or orange. As you can see, I'm gonna leave it blue because it's nice. And also you have the idle opacity, so it means when just the controller stays still, you can choose the opacity of the controller, so you can make it almost invisible, or you can just make it plain and that, you know, nothing is going through the controller. So as you can see, these are the quick settings of the zoom controller on the iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.